coaching thought for the day. Today's thought is a friendly reminder that you cannot be more invested in the work that you're doing with the teacher than the teacher is invested in the work that you're doing with the teacher. I have on more than one occasion realized that in working with a teacher, I'm thinking, why are they not concerned about this? Why are they not working on this? Why am I, spinning my wheels and doing all this stuff and they've just, they're just not doing anything. That is an indicator that you need to reconsider the work that you are doing with that teacher. You should not be doing more of the work and have more care in it. Now, I say that there are, like an exception that I would think of is if you are modeling a lesson for a teacher, then yes, like you are doing more of the work just in making sure that all your ducks are in a row and everything is all, prepared and set up and planned and ready and all of that sort of thing. But outside of that, I really can't think of many other times that you should be working harder than the teacher or caring more about something than the teacher. I relate this also to in a classroom. I tell teachers all the time, you should not be the hardest working person in your classroom. The students should be the hardest working people in your classrooms. And so if that's the case, or if that's not the case rather, and it's out of balance, then you need to consider what else you need to do to get things back in the right balance. So as a coach, you might need to consider that sometimes too.